Hello friends, welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. The recipe I am going to make today is specially a weight loss breakfast for all those health conscious people, that is, healthy overnight oats. I am going to show you guys two awesome varieties. So let's get started. The first variety is a tasty veggie overnight oats. I have taken half a cup of pressed oats in a mason jar. Add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now pour in a cup of toned or low-fat milk at room temperature. Drop in 2 tablespoons of fresh low-fat yogurt or curds. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now add half a cup of grated carrot. Close the jar and place it in the fridge overnight. The second variety is a very colorful, healthy, fruity overnight oats. I have taken half a cup of pressed oats in a mason jar. Now add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now add a cup of low-fat milk at room temperature. Drop in 2 tablespoons of yogurt or curd. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Now add half a cup of sliced bananas. Sprinkle a little pomegranate. Close the jar and place it in the fridge overnight. Next morning, top the veggie overnight oats with roasted almonds and Cashewnuts, and the fruity overnight oats with sliced roasted walnuts. Mix and relish. Do try it at home as a weight loss option and let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet again with my next recipe. Till then, bye bye.